If you're wondering how to save changes in Elementor, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the exact button to look for, what it means depending on whether your page is a draft or already live, and how to know for sure your changes have actually been saved. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more Elementor tutorials and website tips. Alright, let's jump in. Once you're inside the Elementor editor, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. This is where Elementor keeps the main action button for saving your work. Now here's the part that confuses a lot of beginners. Elementor does not always say save. Instead, the button changes depending on the status of your page. If you're working on a brand new page that hasn't been published yet, the button will usually say publish. That means your design is not live yet, and clicking publish will save your changes and make the page visible on your website. So if you've just finished building a new landing page, service page, or blog layout, this is the button you want. If the page is already live on your site, the button will say update instead. This means the page has already been published before and Elementor is waiting for you to save the latest edits. So whenever you make changes to an existing page, just look for update in the top right corner and click it to store your new version. Now let's go through the actual saving process. After you finish editing your text, images, widgets, or layout, move your cursor up to that top right action button. Click publish if it's a new page, or click update if the page is already live. As soon as you do that, Elementor will start processing your changes. You'll usually notice the button briefly change color, turn gray, or show a loading circle. That loading moment is Elementor writing your changes to the database. This is important because it means the page is not fully saved the instant you click. You want to wait until the process finishes completely. Once the button returns to normal or becomes unclickable for a moment, that's your sign that the save has gone through successfully. At that point, your changes are officially stored and you can refresh or preview the page with confidence. If you ever feel unsure whether Elementor saved correctly, always wait for that visual confirmation. Don't close the tab too quickly and don't assume the changes are saved just because you clicked once. Give it a second, watch for the loading indicator, and make sure the button finishes the process. One extra tip: if you're editing a draft page, remember that publish doesn't just save your changes, it also pushes the page live. So if you're not ready for visitors to see it yet, double check everything before you click. And if you're working on a live page, update is your safe way to keep the page active while storing your edits. So to quickly recap: new page, look for publish. Live page, look for update. Click the button in the top right corner, wait for the loading indicator, and once it settles, your changes are saved. That's the easiest way to save work in Elementor. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more Elementor guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.